Hiya, folks. It's me, Spencer Katara. Uh, this is my book review. I finished. I finished this book. All pages. As you see, Melvin made this comic book named Dennis the Toothbrush, who wanted to be a dinosaur lawyer. No, don't know what it is, but you'll understand. And they liked it, and and then and then two, and then they made this, and then someone else made it. Birds, flowers, trees. You'll understand. And they said, Petey said, well, tomorrow will be our last club meeting in this week, so they're gonna have a show and tell party. And so they had a party with monster cheese sandwiches and the cute little fluffy cloud of death cookies and dog poop brownies. Roll them up into a ball and squish them together. Squish them together. You'll understand. And sneak previews of their comics. And yeah, that's how I did. Mom, if you're seeing this video, I just finished the book. I just want you to know I finished the book. Cat Kid Comic Club by Dave Plucky, creator of Dogman and Captain Underpants. Spencer out.